Do you want recording? I have started recording. Okay.
Yeah, I forgot. Okay,
How was your
thank
day?
you. Day was going great, pretty well.
Okay. What did you do? Anything special?
No, I'm not doing anything special. I just finished my as usual routine.
Okay. So, in the previous session, you have mentioned like you have problem with should, would, or could. Okay. So, in this part, generally I don't do the grammar part because I have just, prepared the document as a conversational. But still, it's my duty if you are asking me to complete, do
Yeah,
your grammar part also.
because I have many problems about tenses, grammar part. That's
Okay. Then we will work on that also. So for today, it is about should. Okay. First, we are going to talk
Mhm.
about should. And are you ready with your notebook and pen?
Yeah, I'm ready with my note and pen.
Okay. Let's start with the session with the should. Should one. Okay. So, should, when we use, note down in your diary, when we use should plus verb first form.
Yeah, I just read some topic about. I have prepared, but while speaking, I'm confusing. I know that should is used for advice, and should is not past form of shall. Yeah, and should is
Okay.
used for advice.
Okay, so we will practice on that, but first you should just note down a little bit some sentences, then
Okay,
you have to make sentences with it. Okay.
okay.
So when we use should plus be1 for first form,
Okay.
it
Yes,
means कुछ करना चाहिए. In Hindi,
करना
it's
चाहिए.
करना चाहिए. For
Yeah.
example, the first example is you should come home. You should come home.
Yes.
And you are getting the meaning.
Should.
तुम्हें घर आना चाहिए, करना चाहिए, आना चाहिए, जाना चाहिए, खाना चाहिए. Everything is should come. You should study hard. Second one is
You
you
should.
should study
Yeah.
fast. And the
Yeah.
third
Okay.
one is I should play now.
You should play now. Yeah.
And the fourth one is I should sleep now. We should talk to
Okay.
each other. We should talk to each other. So here the simple meaning is होना चाहिए, पढ़ना चाहिए, खेलना चाहिए, अभी मुझे सोना चाहिए या अभी हमें बात करनी चाहिए. Like simply करना चाहिए. Something is
करना
happening.
चाहिए.
Okay, something is happening there. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. So now I want you to make 5 sentences using should, where it sound like something is happening. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, in my understanding, for example, you should wear this dress.
You should wear
You
this.
should wear this dress. Wear this dress.
Okay.
Okay. And what else? You should open the door.
You should open the door. Okay.
And uh, should I borrow your pen?
No, it is may I or can I? It is
Question. Okay.
yeah. Should is simply चाहिए. We are not asking
Um,
क्या मुझे तुम्हारा पेन लेना चाहिए? No. We are asking can I have your pen or may I borrow your pen? Right? This is कि मैं ले सकता
yeah.
हूँ and should is
Mm.
literal चाहिए. क्या मुझे लेना चाहिए? You are making
Okay.
it as a, क्या मुझे लेना चाहिए. Okay?
चाहिए.
So
Yeah.
the
No.
meaning is
Okay.
little change there in the meaning. Okay? So try. Okay, you made 2 sentences right. Now try the next one.
I should reach on time. I should reach
Right.
on time.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And, shouldn't. mm,
I should
should is
visit
for
her
yeah.
once in a month.
Sorry.
I should visit
I
him
should
once in a month.
once in a month. Okay. I should visit
So there is I should
once in a month.
visit. Should plus
I
V1
should
visit.
visit. Yes. Should plus be. Okay.
You wanna try once more?
I should come on time, and
Mhm.
I wrote down some sentences for learning. I should be here by now.
I should be.
Here by now. I should be here by now.
Mhm.
उसे बस अभी पहुंचना ही वो how to say in हिंदी उसे बस अभी पहुंचना ही चाहिए like that.
Be is
वे
a
पहुंचने ही
different.
वाला है.
We will work on that. Should be is different from. Right now we are working on should plus V1.
First,
Should come,
ठीक
should study, should go, should visit, should eat, should sleep. Okay, we
है.
are working with
Okay,
V1.
okay.
Okay, so after this session, you have to do one thing, try to make sentences only with should plus V1. Okay, this is
Okay, okay.
simply, you are talking with your friend, you can just simply guide like you should study hard. Okay, you should sleep
Yes,
early. तुम्हें जल्दी सोना चाहिए.
you
You
should
should
keep
sleep
on.
early. और you should get up early in the morning. तुम्हें जल्दी उठना चाहिए. You can write down the Hindi meaning also with the English, so it would
Yeah,
be easy for your mind to understand
easy.
the context
Yeah,
easily. Okay, where and how we are using this. So this is the simple one. Today we are going to do this one, should plus V1. So I'm not going to give you a lot of content that because your mind will gonna take this pressure. Okay, I need to do that much. So we are just going to do only one, should plus V1. Okay.
okay. And next session we will discuss about wood and food.
Yeah, but there is other ways also to use should in other contexts. Like should be, when you
Okay.
are talking about
Be
should be is a होना चाहिए. It should be like this. इसे ऐसा होना चाहिए था. And we done with
होना चाहिए.
should be, that should go, should come is तुम्हें आना चाहिए या तुम्हें जाना चाहिए, right?
होना
But
चाहिए.
when we use should be here, he should be here. उसे यहाँ होना चाहिए था. होना is now it's होना. Okay, and please plus
Okay.
B1 it is चाहिए. जाना, आना and होना. B is always होना. You know that B form is
होना.
always be, been. Okay, B is always hona.
Okay.
Okay, so we will work on that also. But for now, that's why I'm not teaching all the grammar pattern right now. I'm just teaching, telling you one should plus V1. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
yeah, and make a lot of sentences so your mind will be easy. Your mind easily able to understand the difference between should V1, should be, and
Yeah.
other aspects also I'll teach in the upcoming sessions. Okay, so now I would like
Okay.
to know something about you, like what are the main habits you have that you admire for yourself, like okay, if I am very punctual, I admire this. So something like that, I would like to know your qualities, 5 qualities.
5 qualities.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, I would like to make a timetable for routine day. Okay. And if I'm not follow my timetable, uh, I don't feel better.
Mm-hmm.
It's pinch me my mind. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this like that. So I would like to follow my timetable. Okay. And the other one is I speak honestly. I don't speak ill lie. I don't speak lie.
Okay.
Okay. And third one is
Kind,
I like to. Sorry.
passionate, kind.
Yes. Um, I have I have more passion. And I am hardworking person, and I work hard, and I am like how to say uh, सहन शक्ति को क्या बोलते हैं? I forgot
Listen,
the word.
listener. Listening.
No, no, no. I'm not. No, no. For not listening. हम कुछ भी लोग कुछ भी बोलते हैं हम इजीली गिव अप कर दे लाइक हाउ टू से कोई हमें कुछ भी कहता है तो हम उसे जाने देते हैं लेट लेट हिम गो लाइक
That
दिस
is good quality. That is, people. What the word is manipulate you easily. You get,
या
or maybe you trust people easily.
नो आई एम नॉट ट्रस्टिंग पीपल
You
इजीली
get,
आई एम
you
नॉट
get
दैट पर्सन
manipulated,
यस
or you get hurt.
आई एम वेरी इमोशनल पर्सन बट
Ah,
आफ्टर
okay.
सम टाइम it will be okay doesn't matter
We can say
what it happened
resilience.
okay
Resilient is when you cover up easily, like people said, or something happened to you, but you cover up easily. You overcome the
yeah
situation, and you are now moved on towards the other. Okay.
yeah if the whenever argue with my husband after that they can he cannot easily say sorry I'm just to give up it's okay after that we will talk each other that
Okay. And then who says sorry first?
as usual I'm the first
You.
I
Wow.
always first sorry you
Okay.
know he is an ego kind person that's why
Ah, he's egoistic, you can say, and he has ego.
yeah
Okay, okay, okay. I guess in a
mm.
couple, there is one person who always says sorry or always keep
Yeah
trying, making, putting efforts to keep this relationship.
yeah
So in this, you are the one who
very
is
important
putting efforts in
yeah
this.
it's very
Okay.
essential every relationship
Right, right. It is very essential. Okay. So while telling, you made again a one mistake. So I would like to know, because I guess in the previous session you made the same mistake and I corrected you. So I would like to know, do you note your mistakes in your notebook, like where you made
yes
mistake?
yes after that
Okay.
I whenever I listen the recorded video I noted down all the mistake you I think you told me about the listen too is it right
Yeah, yeah. Listen to. And today
okay
again you made mistake with I am not follow my timetable. Write down the
I am
sentence in
not
your notebook.
sorry.
I would like to know from your side what is the correct one. The sentence you used is I am not follow my timetable.
Okay. I was not follow my timetable.
Try once.
Followed. I followed. Is a past.
No. You are talking about every single day, a habit that you want to follow every day.
Yeah.
If you don't follow,
Yeah.
so you can say if I don't follow.
If I don't follow. Okay.
So write
If
down
I
first
don't
right sentence. That is, if I don't follow my timetable,
follow timetable. Okay. Yeah.
okay, whatever the reason next. And the second way of telling this, if I am not following, because with is mr we use ing.
Yes.
Okay,
Is and has.
here you used am, so you should have used ing with follow. I am not following my timetable.
I'm not following my timetable.
Yes, if I am
Okay.
not following my timetable, I feel demotivated or whatever. Is that okay? Getting
Okay.
the point. One is I don't if I don't follow my timetable, and second is if I'm not following my timetable. Whenever you use is, am, are, use ing form. So make a
Exactly.
proper note and revise it. Okay. So next time
Okay.
I don't want to get the same mistake from your side
Mistake.
with I am not.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. So that's it for today's session. And yeah, revise the notes with should
Yeah, is it
plus
over? Oh my God.
it's 16
Still,
minutes. The session was very interesting. I guess that's why you didn't even realize how much time is it now. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, happens. So yeah, in the next I'll tell you about should be, and then we will discuss a little bit about anything. Okay, it will be spontaneous.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Did you enjoy the
Thank you
session?
so much. Yeah, I have enjoyed.
Okay.
I
Okay.
was
Then
enjoyed. Is it right? I was enjoyed.
no, no, I enjoyed.
I was enjoying. Yes, was for ing. Was plus
If you
ing.
are talking about
Yes.
continuous process, that was ing, and if you
Mhm.
are just
And then,
telling I enjoyed, we
yes.
will say enjoyed because it is just happened. Simple past.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, bye bye. Have a great day
Bye.
ahead.
Thank you. Same to you. Bye.